Hi everyone, welcoming you all to my channel Clear Cut Concepts. So in this video we are planning to do coding and decoding. So reasoning series started here. So I am planning some topics separately we will discuss. In this video I bring to you more than 20 questions, that is 25 questions we are planning to solve. Surely it will help you to understand the topic better and solving the question easily and accurately. Let's get started. Question number 1. In a certain code language, construction is written, some words is given. Okay. What will be the code for destruction in the same language? Okay. So we have to find how the letter formed from here to there. So verbal reasoning, we have to write alphabets first and then we can compare what is the pattern followed here. Okay. So first write okay. So this one has written. C is written E. So what is the connection between C and E? They skip the one letter and C to E. That is we have always written +2. That means 1 to second letter. C to E. Okay. C to E. So what is the connection between second letters? O and M. O and M. Here it is O. Here it is M. So backward -2. Okay. And then third letter, any idea? N. N to P. N O P. So it is in the forward order. Again +2. N to P. Fourth one, S to Q. Here it is S. And then Q. So now we find out. Okay, we can understand. So how they form? Two letters forward and then backward. In the same manner we can arrange it here. So D to D, E, F. First letter should be F. So I am writing here D, E, S, T, R, U, C, T, I, O, N. Okay, first letter, two letter forward. Okay, one leave, skip one letter and add the second one, F. E, backward, C. So to start here, these are not all the answers. We can check these two, we need to check. Okay, so everything is same till S. Okay, and then continue S. Yes, two letter forward U. And then T to backward R. R to forward T. And then U to backward S. C to forward B. C to forward E. So we can stop here. No need to find all those things because still yes, everything is same. Next letter is E here. Here it is F. So this one is wrong. Correct answer is first one. So this is one of the idea. Okay, if we do more questions, we can get more ideas. That is the keyword for doing reasoning. Shall we move to the next question? Question number 2. In a certain language, yearly is written as some letters. What will be the code for annual? So you have to check what is the connection between these two. Here it is start with Y. Here they start with Y. It is a second letter. from the end. Okay, so what is the second letter from the starting point? B. So there is the connection. We have to check next also. E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth letter. What about from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V. Correct. E to V. So one letter if you are selecting from the beginning means we are selecting from the end. That is the keyword here. So we start with A, first letter. Then it is first from A means first letter from A means we have to write the last from A, Z. And then N is the 14th letter. Where is N here? 14th. From forward. So count from the end. Which one is 14th? M is 14th. So again M. And then U. U is the 21st word. From here U is 21. I am writing here. Okay. U is 21. Here it is A is first letter. So from the end first letter is Z. N is 14th letter. From the end 14th is M. And same for N, M, U. Okay. A is again Z. L is 12th letter. So you have to find like this. This is again another idea. N and this is F. F schedule. Okay. Answer is N, M, M, F schedule. Third is the option. Come to the next question. Third one. In a certain language, EASY is written 5117. How will be written? Okay, what is the connection between these two? E is the fifth letter. Therefore, they have written 5. So, B is the second letter. E is the fifth letter. Therefore, here E is fifth. Okay. And then A is the first letter. Therefore, 1. Here also 1. What about S? S is not the first letter. So, we have to think. S is the 19th letter. That is 19th alphabet. Okay. 19 means 1 plus 9. That is 10. That is 1. We are taking the single digit. So, 1. Y is the 25th letter. Y is 25th alphabet. Therefore, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, here it is 7. Okay. So, like that we have to check. M is the 13th letter. That is 1 plus 3. Answer is 4. 2, 5, 1, 4. Okay. 2, 5, 1, 4. Come to the next question. Special is question number 4. Special is return 65. And then what is connect be coded as? Okay. So here we have to think. Not a single digit. It's a whole number. Some number. So they may be add or multiple. The alphabet place value. So here multiplication means it may be larger number. Here the number is small. So it must be addition. Like that we have to think. So special S is a 19th digit. So I am writing here SPECIAL. So S is 19th digit, E is 16, E is 5, 3, 9, 1, 12. L is the 12th alphabet, first one, 9th one, like that you have to add. We will get 65. So what about connect? So we can add here. So 3, O is the 15th letter, 14 plus 14 plus 5 plus 3 plus 20. The total is 74. Okay. So the answer is 74. Come to the next question. In a certain language code, issue is written these numbers. Okay, or same code, what about dates? DES. So here we are thinking, what is the relation between first and this number? No connection. I is not the third letter, so we can't add or subtract. If you add, it will be in a single double digit only. It's a larger number, so we have to think about the multiplication. So I is in the ninth letter, S is 19, again 19, U is in the 25th letter, E is in the 5th letter. So if you multiply, you will get 3, 4, 1, 1, 4, 5. Okay. So in the same manner, dates we have to find. So dates I am writing here, DATES. So D is the fourth one, first one, 20, 5, 19. Okay. So if you multiply, you will get 7600. Answer is 7600. So come to the next one. Study the data given below. Answer the following questions. Some 4 lines is given, some symbols are given. So we have to eliminate or understand which symbol is represent the which word. Okay, it is not in the order. So we can't take it as in the orders. Okay. So royal, monarch, regal, regal legacy, gold, hope, old life, regal monarchy, morals. So from here we have to start any common words are there with a common symbol. So moral is only one time. Here it is occur. Okay, regal already is there, monarch already is there. So moral. The symbol is given here. This symbol is not there anywhere. So moral represent this symbol. Okay. Next, any other word? Royal is here. Where is royal? So moral, we cut with the symbol, this one. Okay. Royal. Only one at a time. So which symbol is here? One at a time. At. Because asterisk here also, star already. Two more time we are having here. Okay. So for royal only at. So I am writing royal at. So this is also cancelled. Okay. And then any common, regal is here, and then regal is here also. So which letter is common in first, which symbol is common in first and second line? So here star, here is also star. So regal is star. Okay. Like that we have to eliminate. So star I am cutting here. Regal is also over. Any other regal? Regal is also over. Star is also cut. Then only monarchy is left here. So we can write monarch. Monarch is asterisk. Okay. This line is over. And then any other words? Here also monarch. This one is over. Legacy gold. Okay. Legacy gold. Gold is in the second line and third line. Any letter is common. These two lines. Percentage symbol is common. So gold represent percentage symbol. Okay. So gold is also we can cut. Gold is represent the percentage symbol. Okay. What is remaining here? Legacy is question mark. Okay. This one is also over. Okay. This is also over. Hope, life. These two symbols are there, but nowhere it is here. So we can write hope and life both. We don't know which one represent hope and which one represent life. Okay, either and symbol or dollar symbol. Okay, these are. Now we can answer the question. What is the code represent regal? Star. Answer is second. Gold legacy. Gold is the percentage. Legacy is the question mark. Third one. Question mark under percentage. Which is asterisk represent monarch. Okay. And the next question. In given code, which of the following can be coded? The and the question mark. And the question mark. We'll check. And the question mark. This one. And the question mark. Okay. What are the options given here? Okay, and only. That is a question mark. As and only. Okay, and represent. We will check it again. And represent. We don't know. Hope or life. Both we don't know. Hope or life. So either two or three. Hope or life. Maybe life, maybe hope. The answer is hope. What is the royal represent of the symbol? Okay. So this is important question we may expect in the exam, teaching exams. Same type of question. Okay. Black, orange, yellow, purple. So again it is not in the order. We have to eliminate and find out the relation between the words. Okay. So only method is which word is common in the lines, and then you have to take that word. Okay. So any other? Here it is. We start with some words. Black, orange, yellow, purple is given. Like that we have to read it one or twice and then check. I am taking first and the last line. Orange. Any other word common in here? First and the last line. No word is common. We have to check like that. Okay. Orange only common. So which symbol is common or which code is common here? Any other? PET, pet only. PET, pet. So we can identify. Orange represent pet. Okay, so we cancel. Orange represent pet. This one is over. Any other oranges here? No. Okay. Come to the next one. Grey. Grey only in the second and fourth line. Any common word in second and fourth? Common. Pet. Pet represent grey. Because this word only common. Grey. So grey means pet. Okay. Any other here? No. Third one only pink is here. So red represent pink. Pink means red, red. So any other pink here we can cut? No. So only pink here we cut with the red. Okay, come to this line. Any other common? Red in second and third line. Anything common in second and third? Wet is common. So red represent wet reed. Okay. So red represent wet. Okay. And then any other common word? Only silver is here. Any other place silver is there? No. Only silver is here. Which letter is not in any other? Set is there. Get is in the second line also. Only TET, tet is not anywhere. So that meaning is silver represent TET, tet. So we can cancel these two. Silver represent tet. And then purple. Purple is in the first line, second line, third line. So which is common in all the three. Okay, all the three. Not only a single line, all the three. Set is here but not here. Get is in all the three. Get, get, get. So purple represent get. Get, get. So purple represent get. We need to cancel. Okay, at the time only we can clarify the other parts. So here everything cancel, only blue left. Blue is set. Okay, this one is also over. Here everything is over. Green. Green is wet. Okay, green is also over. Black. Have you written black? No. Black, yellow, blue. Blue we have written set. Set must have cancelled here. Blue set. And then let for Will it anywhere? No. Yellow and black. Okay. Jet and let is here. Black and yellow. Black and yellow. Anywhere black is here? No. Yellow. Okay. So these two we keep as it is. Okay. Black and yellow. Nowhere else. No? Black. Nowhere else, and the yellow is also nowhere else. We can't compare either Z or lead. We will keep it as it is and check the question. What is it code for red? Wet. Okay. What is it code for orange? Is red as orange. We keep it, and then red is wet. Okay. So some word is missing here. Orange. What is red here? RETP. Orange, pink, red. So orange is PET, pink is RET, red is VET. Because this is not mentioned in the question, okay? No code is given for this. Come to the next question. What is set? Set is blue. Okay. Once we conclude all the answers, we can answer the parts. What is grey? Grey represent. Grey is, where is grey? Grey is pet. Okay, grey is pet. So the answer is grey is pet. And then which combination is correct? Which one is correct? So already we have written. I'm writing the answer only. Which one is correct? Orange is pet. This is correct. Other things are wrong. Okay. Come to the next one. Based on the information, answer the following. Here totally different. Okay, simple one. Balloons are blue, 834. Rainbow is sky, 723. Carpet is beautiful, 629. Box is heavy, 325. So once think by yourself, pass it and think by yourself. And check your answer. That is also interesting, I think. Okay. We will continue. What will be the code for girls? What will be the code for girls? So here, the number of alphabet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the pattern 8. Here it is 3, 3, blue is 4. Okay, like that girls is 5 letters are there, therefore 5. India is a beautiful country. India is 5, is 2, and then a beautiful country. Answer is second one. Next, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4 means Taj Mahal located in Agra. Come to the next one. So this is very simple. Direct symbol is given and then we have to find out. So alphabet are given. Symbols are given here. What about pen? P, E, N, S, pens. So option 2. Okay. Code is given. So we have to find the letter. So we start from this symbol. Where is the symbol here? So packing. Okay. Next, 25th question. So again like a previous question. Here also we are using the add one out. Again we have to check which letter is alone and then what is that number represent, because it is not in the order. The code is not in the order. So you have to check. Read all the lines. Okay. So compare two lines. Which letter is repeated? Here I am comparing first and third. Fast. Okay. Fast is only in these two places. So which number is common in these two? First and third. 7 is common. So 7 I can cut for fast. So fast represent 7. Like that you have to find. Okay. It is a very interesting game. Okay. Next, any other word? Journey. Journey in second and third. Second and third, which number is repeated? 5 is repeated. So 5 we can cancel. Journey. So journey represent 5. Okay. And then any other word only in two places. Ended. These two numbers in the third and fourth. Ended. Ended. 2 is here. Only 2 is repeated. These two. Ended. So I cancel ended. So I am noting here also. Otherwise it will confuse. Ended represent 2. Okay. And then any other word? Your. Your is the single word, not in any number. So already we cancelled everything. No? Journey we cancelled. Journey represent 5. So we cancelled all the 3. Only 1 is left, 6. Your is represent 6. So this line is over. Okay. Next come to the next one. Life. Life is only one time. Any other line consists life? No. So which number is not in the other line? Only 8 I think. Okay. So 8 represent life. Life is 8. Okay. And then R in two place, first and third. Which number is first and third? 9 only in first and third, and 0 is also there. Okay, 9 we can't cancel. Okay, 0 is also there. And come to the first, second, third line. Which number is in all the 3 lines? Behind is here only, here also, here also. So all the 3 line. So 9 is here. 9, 9, 9. Only 9 is in all the 3. So behind represent 9. 9, 9, 9. So behind. We got the behind. Behind is 9. Okay. Now compare these two lines. R. R is in first and behind we cancel them. Okay, line cancel. First and fourth line. Which number is common? 0 is common. So R represent 0. And then only one number is there. Here it is 4. Okay. Here it is also 4. So we cancel 4. Anything left? This line is completely cancelled. This is also cancelled. These two numbers. First and second line, some number is common, that is 3. So move represent 3. Move represent 3. Move is represent 2. Only 1 is left. Word is also left. Left is 1. Okay, this is like a game. Okay, are you enjoying the game? Yeah. Now answer the question. What is left represent? Left represent 1. Now easily we can answer. What is 3 represent? Move. Your life journey. Your means 6. Life means 8. Journey 5. 6, 8, 5. Something missing, we will check. Your life journey. Okay, it's not in the order. You can write like this also. Okay. Your life journey, this one. They are not being on the order. No? Fast represent fast 7. Fast is 7. And then which of the combination is correct? So we know all the numbers matching. Okay. And then the answer is journey is correct. So we completed the reasoning, coding and decoding. So thank you so much for watching my video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel, support my channel. Once again, thank you all. All the best for your exams.